Chatter, chatter, chatter. You never stop talking. First, let's go with Sonic. Ewan ko kung bakit gusto ko na ito. Because it's just... Hindi na po. Because it's just a weird game. First, si body parts. Huh? Paano ito? Nalagay na. Alam ko na. Basta okay lang yun. Can you say, Mama? Ito ko lang siya. Diba? Madali na matatapos si Sonic the Hedgehog. Kikita nyo guys. That's Sonic. Now let's do tail. Super tail. Where's your body part? Ulit. You cannot miss the body part. Ay, hindi ko alam kung saan to. Okay, alam, matatapos na yung oras natin magsasama, guys. Wala, hindi ko alam. Dali na, Sil. Dali na. Okay, dali na, Sil.